Well, that's about it for our tour of Belize, though we've hardly begun. My home is truly one of the most special places on Earth. It's hard not to see why. The Maya, the reef, the rainforest, the English-speaking friendly people. It's all here in such a small country that you can easily experience a taste of each. I promise. Belize will be an adventure you will not soon forget. And I do hope to see you soon.